Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly unique and exciting. The 2025 Mint Blue Electric Tricycle Camper. If you've ever dreamed of a compact, eco-friendly travel solution that turns heads and delivers real functionality, this might just be it. Let's start with the exterior. The first thing that grabs your attention is the fresh mint blue color. Bold, refreshing, and definitely not something you see every day on the road. The sleek aerodynamic shape, with its curved roof and compact frame, is both futuristic and practical. LED headlights, alloy wheels, and solar panels on top complete a smart, sustainable design that's clearly made for modern adventurers. Now, stepping inside, the interior is surprisingly spacious for a tricycle camper. The layout is minimalist but well thought out. There's a convertible seating area that folds into a bed, smart storage compartments along the walls, and a compact kitchenette with a sink, induction hob, and a mini fridge. The use of light-colored wood and soft ambient lighting creates a cozy, comfortable vibe, perfect for solo travelers or couples looking to escape the city. Under the hood, the trike is powered by a next-generation electric motor offering 60-70 km/h top speed and a range of up to 200 km on a full charge, depending on your load and terrain. The battery is swappable, which means you don't have to wait hours to recharge. Just swap and go. Regenerative braking adds extra efficiency, especially on longer journeys. In terms of safety, it features a reinforced frame, rear camera for parking, disc brakes on all wheels, and advanced stability controls. While it's not a substitute for a full-size RV, it handles exceptionally well in urban and off-grid environments. Daytime running lights, a digital dash, and anti-theft alarm give added peace of mind. As for the price, the 2025 Mint Blue Electric Tricycle Camper starts at around $9,500, making it one of the most affordable electric campers on the market. Optional add-ons like roof racks, a portable toilet, and a heating module are also available. To sum it up, this tricycle camper is a smart, stylish solution for those who crave freedom, sustainability, and simplicity in their travel lifestyle. Whether you're a weekend explorer or looking to live light on the road, the 2025 Mint Blue Electric Tricycle Camper is a creative new path to adventure.